Hello, how can we simplify the expression tangent of 2 pi over 5 plus tangent of 7 pi over 20 over 1 minus tangent of 2 pi over 5 times tangent of 7 pi over 20 without the use of a calculator? To simplify this expression, we need to know about the addition formula for the tangent function. We also have to be able to see that this expression matches the formula tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta over 1 minus tangent of alpha tangent of beta. This expression equals tangent of alpha plus beta. Then, if in our expression alpha is 2 pi over 5 and beta is 7 pi over 20, then we can write it as tangent of 2 pi over 5 plus 7 pi over 20. Now, to add these two angles, we need to have the same denominator, and for this, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction by 4. Then we will have tangent of 8 pi over 20 plus 7 pi over 20. This equals tangent of 15 pi over 20. And if we divide the numerator and the denominator by 5, we will have tangent of 3 pi over 4. And this is an angle that we can find on the unit circle. Now here we have the unit circle and the angle of 3 pi over 4, and let's see how we can use the coordinates of this point to find tangent of 3 pi over 4. Now here to the right, we see how the trigonometric functions are defined in terms of the unit circle. The tangent is defined as the y-coordinate of a point on the unit circle divided by the x-coordinate. So then, to find tangent of 3 pi over 4, we need to divide the y-coordinate by the x-coordinate. So we will divide square root of 2 over 2 by negative square root of 2 over 2. Then square root of 2 over 2 will cancel, and the result will be negative 1. So the value of this expression is negative 1, and we simplified it without the use of a calculator. Thank you for watching the whole video. Please give me a like if this was useful and come back for more math.